Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
I am fine, thank you. I am
Okay.
fine, thank you.
Very good, very good.
I'm fine, thank you.
All right, Rashin. Now, my dear students, I hope all of you are ready with your English Literature Workbook Part 2. Please make sure about it. Yes?
Yes.
Good. In the previous session, we have learned the names of the days in a week as well as the names of the months in a year. Okay. And I had instructed all of you to write and learn the names of the days in a week. Have you been able to do that?
Yes.
Have you done it?
Yes.
Yes. Please show me the work done by you. The names of the days in a week. All of you need to take your books on your own and show it to me. Yes, Emmanuel, very good. Kevin, very good. Karthik, I want to see the writing and learning work, not the workbook. Ryan Sandeep, very good. I don't want to see the workbook. I know you have written in the workbook. I want to see where you have written and learned. That work I want to see. Abhimanyu, have you done it? Anirudh, very good. Devna, very good. Netik, I don't want to see the workbook. Juvanya, no workbook. Dean Karen, very good. I don't want to see the workbook. I want to see where you have written and learned. Yes, Devna, very good. Ilhana Rose, yes. Good morning, Anirudh. Bhanu Lakshana, very good. Okay, the rest of you are showing me the workbook. I know that you have written in the workbook, but where is the written part, writing and learning part? Dean, I saw, good. I want to see the writing. Inaya, very good. Yes. Yes, Karthik, yes, good. This is what I wanted to see. Good. Those who have done the work promptly as instructed, very good. Chelsea, I want to see the writing and learning part, not the workbook. Those who have done the work sincerely, very good, very good. Keep it up. Those who have not done, make sure that you show it to me in the next class. I'm keeping a record of the work done by you. Yes, Deva? Okay, good. Good, Deva. Hope all of you have understood.
Madhav, show it to next class.
Okay, Madhav. Fine, fine. Those who have not done, please show it to me in the next class. Chelsea, there is nothing to worry about. Don't bother. Do it and show it to me in the next session. That is enough. Okay? Yes, Netik? I will tell. Wait. Yeah. Now, yes. Now I want all of you to be on page number 11. Page number 11 of your English literature workbook. Get ready soon. Keep your pencil box with you. You have to write the answers with me. All right? Yes. Rashin, unmute your device. Rashin? Rashin, unmute.
On page number.
Page number 11. Today we will be trying to solve exercise 4.2. 4.2 workbook, English literature workbook part 2. Exercise 4.2. I want all of you to have a look at the picture that you see on the page. Page number 11. Rashin, unmute. Look at the picture. I want all of you to look. Did you observe it? Yes, Rashin. Unmute your device and read the, your device is unmuted. Okay, read the first sentence. First one, which is already completed. Read it.
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 It is a.
It is a, not a. A.
It is a.
Hmm.
B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday.
Birthday. Yes.
P-A-R-T-Y.
Hmm.
Party.
Party. Yes, very good. It is a birthday party. Did you see the decoration down? What is written there?
Birthday party.
Birthday party. Yes. Happy birthday. Did you see the decoration done? Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Ah, yes. So whose birthday is it, Rashin? There are 4 children. Whose birthday is it?
Girl.
Yes. Which one?
Red t-shirt.
Yes, very good. It is this girl's birthday who's sitting with a small puppy near her, right? Okay, very good, Rashin. So now we have understood that this picture tells us that this is a birthday party happening there. As per the picture, what is happening? It is a birthday party. Okay, let us see. Devharan. So this first blank is completed by the word birthday. So put a tick mark on that birthday. It is already taken. Yes, Devharan, read the second one.
The girl is.
Not is. The girl is.
The girl is.
Read the next word.
W-I-N.
B-L-O-W-I-N-G.
Blonde.
Blowing.
Blowing.
Blowing. Yes.
Blowing.
Blowing. Blowing.
Blowing. Blowing.
Yes, very good.
Out.
Out. Yes, out.
Out. The.
Dash.
Dash. On the.
On the.
On the.
Devna, mute your device, please.
Candle.
Out the dash. On the. What is the last word, Devharan? C-A-K-E. Cake. Cake. Yes. What can you see on the cake? 1, 2, 3. What are they?
Candles.
Candle. Only one is there or 3 are there?
Candles.
Candles. Yes. Somebody else is answering. Who is that? Please mute others. Yes, you're right. The second answer is candles. Put a tick mark on the word candles given in the options and write candles on the cake. Candles. The girl is blowing out the candles on the cake. Thank you, Devharan. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Saiha, try the third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read louder.
H-E-R.
H-E-R.
Hair.
Not hair. Her.
Her.
Hmm.
F-R-I-E-N.
N.
D-S.
D-S. Her friends. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Her friends.
Have given.
Have given.
Given her.
Many. M-A-N-Y. Many.
Friends.
Her friends have given her many. What have they given her? Look at the picture. What can you see behind the birthday girl? Lots of cupboards, beautiful boxes. What are they called?
3 friends.
Sorry? Behind the girl. See, I have circled it in the picture. What do you get from your friends?
Gift.
Gifts. Yes, very good. You're right. The next answer is gifts. Her friends, she has invited her friends to the birthday party and her friends have given her many gifts. Very good, Saiha. Thank you. Ilhana, unmute. Ilhana, read the fourth one.
Dash candles on the cake.
There are dash candles on the cake.
3.
Sorry?
3.
3. Yes, very good. There are 3 candles on the cake. So can you try to tell me the age of the child birthday girl? How old is the birthday girl? There are 3 candles on the cake. That means
3.
the child is 3 years old.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, who's calling me?
Ma'am, I am Jovak's sister.
Jovak, yeah.
Ma'am, Jovak was late because a connection errors.
Uh,
So can you tell the page number what you talked
Page number 11. It is right here on the screen, my dear.
Ma'am, only this?
Yeah, we have started with it earlier. I was checking the previous day's work.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Thank you, Ilhana. Good girl.
Thank you.
Welcome. Devna, try the last one, number 5.
All the children are wearing
Very good.
party dash.
All the children are wearing party dash. Look at the options. Sorry? Party hats. Yes, very good. All the children are wearing party hats. So we have taken the last option also. That means the exercise is completed. Done. Very good, Devna. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. Have you been able to complete writing all the answers?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay, good.
Yes,
Those who have completed writing all the answers, I want them to move to the next exercise. That is on page number 17. We move ahead with the next module, module number 7. Module number 7, the next exercise that we will understand today is exercise 2.1. 2.1 on page number 13. Are you all on the right page? Please check.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, very good. Exercise 2.1 is about coloring the boxes with the sounds that match the given pictures. In every option that we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, many are there. We need to identify the activity being done as per the picture, and in every activity, there is a particular sound being produced. Okay, some kind of sound. we have to learn the name for that specific sound according to the activity. For example, the first picture is of a man sleeping. We can see a man sleeping. Where is the man sleeping? Anirudh, unmute. Where is the man sleeping? On the sofa or on the couch. Yes, the man is sleeping on the couch. Now, there are some people, let me stop sharing. There are some people who create some kind of sound when they sleep. Have you ever heard anybody making a sound when they sleep? They don't know about it, but the others can hear it very well. Have you heard it?
Yes.
Yes. What is that sound, Ilhana?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that sound?
No. Yes. No.
Sorry? Snore. I heard somebody saying snore.
Snoring.
Who did that? Okay. Who's ready to try and show me, demonstrate what kind of sound is produced? Who can do it? Who can do it? Those who can do it, raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yes, Joseph. Yes, Joseph. Come on. Just raise your hands. I'll give a chance. Yes, Joseph. Go ahead. Wait. Louder. Very good. Come on, do it once again. Okay, now you have to tell me, whom have you doing it in your family? Does somebody make the sound while sleeping?
Grandfather.
Grandfather? Okay, good. So next time when your grandfather is snoring, you take a video of it, okay? And show it to everybody in the family. Everybody will have fun time, family fun time. Okay,
Yes.
Joseph?
Yes.
But don't tell anybody that ma'am said this, gave this idea to you, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Who else is ready? Yes, Asher. Come on, Asher. Try.
My daddy.
Your daddy's nose. Okay. Tell me, what is the sound? Oh my. So you also take a video and show it to everybody in the family. Okay. Good. Yes, Abhimanyu wants to say something. Come on, Abhimanyu. Yes, Abhimanyu, what is the sound? Abhimanyu. Okay. So you also can take the video. Okay. Yeah, I have a better idea. Some of you may not be able to take video. Do you know how to take a video? If you don't know, if your
Yes.
father is the one who is snoring, take your mother with you to help you in taking the video. If your mother snores, then take your father to help you taking the video. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. But you must not tell anybody that ma'am gave you that idea. Okay. Yes, Madhav. Madhav wants to say something?
Yes.
Yeah, what is it?
Oh.
Oh my, who does that sound? Who makes that sound, Madhav? Okay. Yes, Amy wants to. Amy, yes, Amy. Yes, Amy?
Fox, ma'am.
The fox, but we are talking about sound produced by people when they sleep, not the sound made by the fox. Okay? Yeah, Amy, do it. What is the sound? Oh, yes. Okay, good. Yeah, fine. So everybody understood? The sound
Yes.
produced when some people sleep. Called, what is it? Yes, Karthik, try. Very cute. Okay, fine. That is called a snore. The sound that is produced by some people when they sleep is called snore. S-N-O-R-E, snore. Keep your devices muted and repeat. Snore. 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 Yes. Okay. Now let us have a look at the other options also. Gargle. Put a tick mark on snore. It is already colored. That box is already colored, right? Just put a tick mark so that you will be able to understand. The first word, Gargle, gargle. Gargling is an activity which is done by us in case we have some kind of irritation in our throat. Sometimes we get slight cough and irritation in the throat. At that time, our parents will give us, no, your parents will give you a glass of warm water, maybe a little salt is added, a little turmeric is added into it, and we have to put it into our mouth and do ga, 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 ga like this, and then spit it out. Don't drink it. Have you done it? That is called gargling. It helps us a lot in keeping ourselves safe from some kind of throat infections and all. Yes, Kevin practices it, I think. He is trying to show.
Water.
Yes, warm water.
Salt water.
Salt water, yes. Warm with salt or turmeric.
Hot water.
Yes, and cough. Cough. What is coughing? Cough. What is coughing? Yes, Kevin. Good, good, good. Don't drink it. Spit it out. Okay. Good, good. Thank you for that demonstration, Kevin. Okay, and coughing. Again, if we have some kind of irritation in our throat, we cough. Joseph, that is not the way to cough. See, when you are coughing, the germs are going into the palms of your hand. So, see to it. When you cough, try to cough into your sleeve. Because the germs will be absorbed by the material and they cannot survive for a long time on the cloth. If we cough into our hands, the germs will survive on the hands, and then when we touch our mouth or somewhere else, it spreads. Keep that in mind. So how will you cough? If you feel like coughing, cough into your sleeves. Got it? Sleeves, the material, not the... Okay, clear? Okay, let's get back to the topic.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So you understood the meanings or the usage of two more words, right? Let's move to the next one. Jovak, unmute. Read the second one. Jovak, unmute. Read the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
You can read from the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Talking.
Talk.
LK, talk.
Talk.
Ing, ing.
In.
Talking.
Talking.
What is the next word? Softly, yes, talking softly. See, my dear students, if we have to tell a secret to our friends, we will go near him or her and speak in his ears so that the others don't get to hear. That is called talking softly. Talking softly. If we speak loudly, everybody will get to hear the secret, right? So when we have to share a secret only to our best friend, we talk very softly.
Yes, ma'am.
And that is called whisper. Talking softly is called whispering or whisper.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Jovak, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Gargle and cough we have already learned in the previous one. I hope everybody remembers. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, Joseph, try the third one.
Blowing.
It's not blowing. Blowing.
Blowing.
Blowing. Yes. Blowing a.
Blowing a whistle.
Whistle. Very good. Blowing a whistle. What is this that you can see in the man's hands?
Whistle.
It's a whistle and the man is blowing air into it. That produces a sound, right? The whistle, when air is blown into it, produces a sound. Now let us look at the examples that are options that are given. Sing. Sing. We know what is singing, right? Singing a song. Is anybody ready to sing a song here? Who's ready? Joseph, sing a song. Come on. Any song.
I'm Karthik.
Wait, others, wait. Saiha, mute your device, please. Joseph, do you know?
Yes.
Yes, sing first then.
English song.
Ah, okay.
Banana.
Peel banana. Okay, go ahead.
Banana. Peel banana. Peel banana. Cut banana. Cut banana. Cut banana. Shake banana. Shake banana. Shake banana. Ring banana. Ring banana. Ring banana.
Very good, very good. Thank you, my dear. So this is singing. Now Joseph has demonstrated how to sing also. Okay. Saiha, wait.
Okay, ma'am.
The next word is slam. S-L-A-M, slam. See, sometimes when we are in a hurry, if we are angry, we shut the door with a loud sound. That loud sound is called a slam. Slam the door means shut very hard, in a very hard way. But that is not a good manner at all. We must always shut the door without making any sound. Okay. So the last word left is toot, which is the right answer. The sound when somebody blows a whistle is called toot. Toot. So I hope you have understood the meanings of the other two words also. Yes?
Yes.
Don't worry. We will be doing it again and again. Then you will remember. Thank you, Joseph. I want everybody to keep their devices muted. Banu Lakshana, unmute. Try the fourth one.
Dog spellings.
Dog smelling. Yes, very good. Read the first word.
Bus.
Buzz. Which insect produces the buzzing sound? Buzzing sound. Sorry? Bee. Yes. Read the next word.
Poop.
Sorry?
Poop.
Pop. Yes. What creates the popping sound? Pop. Have you ever burst a balloon? Burst a balloon?
Yes.
Yes, the sound when the balloon bursts is called the pop sound. Pop.
Sound.
Okay. And the last option is sniff. Sniff. And that is the word which is used for the activity when a dog smells. A dog smelling is called sniff. Sniff. Okay. Dogs are very good at smelling. They have a very strong sense of smell. And that is the reason dogs are even used by the police force to help them in catching the criminals or thieves, people who don't do the wrong activity and hide. They are caught by taking the help of the dogs, which are very good at smelling. Understood? So what is the activity dog smelling called? Sniff. S-N-I-F-F. Sniff. Okay. Thank you, my dear. Hannah, unmute. Try the fifth one.
When
When
we
mm, bring
bring
mm,
our
our
hands
hands, hands, hands,
hands
uh,
to
together,
together
together.
together
Hmm. When we bring our hands together.
clap
Sorry?
clap
Clap, yes. What do we do when we clap?
jeans
We have two hands. When we clap, what do? We bring both the hands together, right? Together. So when we bring our hands together, the sound that is produced is called a clap. Clap. Clap, all of you. Clap for each other. Clap for each other. Very good. So when we bring our hands together, the sound is so produced is called a clap. Clap. And the next word is jingle. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Yes. Remember, the sound produced by the ringing bells is called jingle. Jingle. Then when we play with some coins, if we put many coins together, there is a sound produced. That is also called a jingle. And the next word is yell. Yell. Shouting very loudly. Shouting itself is a loud sound. A much more louder sound than shouting is yelling. For example, when your parents give you some instructions, if you don't listen to them, very softly they will give you the same instruction 2 or 3 times. But even afterwards, if the children don't listen, the parents will start shouting. Yes? Yes or no? Has it happened to you all? That is called yelling. Yes, Anirudh has experienced it many times. Yes, he's giving me a big thumbs up. So, don't give a chance to your parents to yell at you. Yes, Prasanto also. Yes, very good. So, please don't give a chance to your parents to yell at you. Listen to them when they give you some instructions. Do you agree? Okay, very good. Yes, Vaishnavi, unmute. Try the last one. Did everybody put a tick mark on clap? Vaishnavi, read number 6.
what
Fast. Water. Water.
RIPP
Dripping from a
dripping
tap. Tap.
tap
Read the first word.
rim
R-I-N-G. Ring.
rim
Ring.
rim
Not rim. Ring.
ring
Ring. Okay. Ring. We know what is a ring. The bell rings. The phone rings. That is ringing sound. But here we are talking about the sound that we hear when water drips from a tap. Drip means to fall slowly, drop by drop, one by one. Okay. The answer for that is plop. The sound of water dripping from a tap is called plop. Plop. And honk means the sound made by the vehicles. See, at a traffic signal or something, sometimes if there is a crowded road, the vehicles will blow the horn, right? That is called honk. Honk. H-O-N-K. Honking. Honking. Understood, Vaishnavi? Yes? So what is the sound? What is the word for the water dripping from a tap? What is the word? Plop. Spelling Spelling P-L-O-P. P-L-O-P. Okay, very good. I want all of you to just check whether you have put a tick mark on the answers correctly or not. Please check, all of you. Check, don't show me, check.
Ma'am, Emmanuel.
Okay, very good.
Java.
So, my dear students, I will be sending the same notes in the group. Please check the answers once again. And okay, Jovak. Okay. Please check whether you have marked all the answers correctly or not. All right. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.
Bye.